It's Saturday, February 9th, 2013, and we have a lot of snow. It took me like a half hour, 45 probably, just to clear all this off. The natives are getting restless. There's mutiny in the air. Okay, anyways. Let me go treading just to show you how deep this is.
Oh yeah.
Tim knows what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Just show you the allegedly legalized insanity that is the backyard. Look at that! Is that not legalized insanity? Look at all that. The grill. Oh, my poor grill. Isn't that awful? Blizzard 78's got nothing on this. There you have it. See you next update.